Hey, what's up? Today we're diving into the world of Bash and its basic commands. Bash, a popular shell for Linux and Mac OS, is your gateway to mastering command line operations. Let's start exploring. First up, let's talk about interfaces. There's two types of interfaces. There's graphical user interfaces, also known as GUIs, and there's text-based interfaces, like command lines or terminals, which is what we're talking about today. We're focusing on the latter, where Bash comes into play. It's the place where you type commands to tell your computer what to do. When you open the terminal, you'll see something like this. This prompt indicates where you are, or it could indicate your username and the system's hostname. By default, you're in your root or home directory. After you run a command, this prompt reappears, ready for more instructions. Let's jump into basic Bash commands, starting with echo. This command simply displays its arguments on the terminal. For example, typing echo hello world will output hello world on your screen. It's not necessary to use quotation marks, but it's generally good practice. Next, let's explore system variables. With echo, you can display these using a $sign before the variable. For example, echo shell, echo $shell shows you the current shell that you're using, likely bin bash. Now pwd, or print working directory, shows your current directory. It's really helpful to know what directory you're currently in at any given time. Just type pwd and it'll display a path like this. Then we have ls, which lists down contents of a directory. Running ls in your home directory might show folders like documents, pictures, and videos. And then you can add an A flag option that lets you view hidden files, like LSA, which start with a dot. Changing directories is easy with cd. Simply type cd followed by a directory name to navigate there. For example, cd documents takes you to the documents folder. Use cd ... to go back to the parent directory or up one level. We can also explore file operations. The mkdir command or make directory command creates new directories. Try it. rmdir removes them, but be careful. The folder must be empty and there's no undo for this operation. For file creation, touch comes in handy, creating blank files. Then if you need to delete files, use rm. Again, be cautious as removing files and deleting them can't be undone. If you're moving or renaming files, we have something handy for you as well. This is where mv or move shines. Use it to move files between directories or rename them by specifying a new name in the destination path. Understanding these basic commands is essential for navigating and manipulating your file system in Bash. As you get more comfortable, try exploring more advanced commands to deepen your command line skills.